tent 16. It's our tent, beautiful tent. A lot of wild animals around. Two phacoceros there. Let's see our tent. Oh, it's a little bit dark inside. Here you can have cherry and a port. Here for something new to write. That's big bed, king size bed. Wardrobe, yeah. Here we have toilets. And a nice shower. Toilets over there. And now it has also a very nice view for the river here in the veranda. See, get two chairs over there in the veranda. Then you can see the river there. Full of hippos. Very nice tent. Tent number 16 at Migration Camp, Serengeti, Tanzania. Look at me, put back. Oh, the phacoceros is still there. They are still there, eating. Looking also around. Let us see if we see some hippos. That's the bush, round tent. There is the river again. And there used to be a lot of hippos. They are not here today. But we will hear them at night. Day and night. It's a fantastic place. Beautiful place. Isn't it, Mama?